Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Whitehouse Beach Club in Westmoreland. I was actually going to say an update on the Suncoast Beach Club, but that one is in St. Thomas. So much activity and development going on in Jamaica. Everywhere you look, there is some massive development going on. Alright, so we're just going to give you a quick update as to what's going on here. So this development is a luxury development. It's on 44 acres of land and it consists of 110 units. Now each unit is going to be a quarter-acre lot. And this development is actually going to have its own private beach. So on the other side of the road, we'll show you in a little bit, there is a beach and there's a tunnel that you can walk on or walk through that goes under the road, so you don't have to be crossing this busy road to get to the beach. Now this development is going to have 5 phases and 6 house designs. So as you know, the highway is coming through this side of the island. So just like in St. Thomas, where the highway is now going from Kingston to Portland, going through St. Thomas, the same way the highway is coming through this side of the island on its way to Negril. It's going to go from Hodges in St. Elizabeth to Negril. So because of that, you have a lot of development in anticipation of the highway coming. So this is just one of many developments that are going to happen in the area. That's the beach club over there, and somewhere here that will be the tunnel that you go under. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. We will definitely keep you updated on this one. Alright guys, have a good day.